morning students, welcome back. This is the last part of our second unit, that is man's relationship with animals. Now let's begin with activity number 8, which is a grammar based exercise. Okay, write underlined sentences from the passage in a different way as suggested below. Now if you remember, हमने जो story learn की थी उसमें बहुत सारे sentences underlined थे. We have to write those sentences in a different way. Let's see how we have to write. Let's see the examples given and then we will discuss those sentences. Okay, so rule number 1, when one thing person is compared with another thing or person, जब एक thing और person को दूसरी चीज़ या person से compare किया जाता है, interchange the places of things or persons compare. जो दो चीज़ों के बीच में comparison होती है वो दोनों की places को interchange करना है. Change the affirmative verb to negative and negative verb to affirmative. जो affirmative positive verb है उसको negative करना है और negative verb है उसको affirmative करना है. Change from as to so as positive, so change from positive degree to comparative degree. पॉजिटिव डिग्री से कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में करना है. देखो चेंजेस दिए हैं. ऑब्जर्व द चेंजेस मेड इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. ये जो सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं उसमें हमें चेंजेस देखने हैं. रमेश इज एज टॉल एज राधा. दिस इज पॉजिटिव डिग्री. सो योर यू हैव टू चेंज. सो योर द प्लेसेस हैव बीन इंटरचेंज. राधा कम्स फर्स्ट, रमेश कम्स नेक्स्ट. ओके, देन is not taller than Ramesh, so this has become comparative degree. Radha is not taller than Ramesh, so affirmative is as tall as has become is not taller than. Affirmative to negative. Understood? Now let's see the next. Hitesh was as strong as Hiren. Hitesh was as strong as Hiren, so Hiren was not stronger than Hitesh. Okay, you are as intelligent as your brother. Your brother is not more intelligent than you. Okay, a donkey is not so clever as a horse. A horse is cleverer than a donkey. यहाँ negative has become positive. Okay, understood? So now let's go back to the story. Okay, open your textbooks to page number 10. So the first sentence given here is, this is your first sentence. No one knew the streets as well as did Pierre Dupin. So here you can write Pierre Dupin. Okay, knew this street better than anyone else. Pierre Dupin knew this street better than anyone else. Okay, understood? Okay, now let's move to the next. Here, this is your second line. Okay, so Joseph knew the milk route as well as Pierre did. Pierre did not know the milk route better than Joseph. Okay, Pierre did not know the milk route better than Joseph. Okay, now let's move to the next, the last line, which is on your page number 12. Okay, we will find another horse as good as Joseph. We will find another horse not better than Joseph. Your answer will be, we will find another horse not better than Joseph. I hope this is clear to you all. Now let's move to activity number 9. Rewrite the following sentences as directed. हमें कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए ब्रैकेट में, उस हिसाब से हमें सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं. ओके, एनर्जी पुट इनटू रेक्लेमेशन इज ऑफन हायर देन एनर्जी रिलीज्ड इन द प्रोडक्ट एंड योर डायरेक्शन इज रीराइट यूजिंग हाई. सो योर यू कैन राइट energy released in the product is often not as high as energy put into reclamation. You will be doing these on your own. I'll read out these sentences and read out the instructions to you. This is your homework. You have to do this in your notebook. Okay, you have to do the activity 9 and 8 and 9 in your notebook. Okay, she looked as new as a peeled egg. Rewrite using newer. Okay, it is a task as difficult as walking on a razor's edge. It is a task as difficult as walking on a razor's edge. Rewrite using more difficult. The shame lies not so much in going to jail as in committing the offense. The shame lies not so much in going to jail as in committing the offense. Change the degree. You have to change the degree. Okay. The human and animal had more intelligence and better weapons than his cousin. The human animal had more intelligence and better weapons than his cousin. Use intelligence and good and rewrite the sentences. Okay. This is a much surer method than using saliva. Change the degree. This is a much surer method than using saliva. Change the degree. We know a bit more than ladies do. We know a bit more than ladies do. Change the degree. Now let's move to activity number 10. Write a paragraph on the following in about 150 words. So you have to write a paragraph on the following topic in about 150 words. आपको एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है 150 वर्ड्स का. द टॉपिक इज हाउ शुड एनिमल्स बी ट्रीटेड. एनिमल्स को कैसे ट्रीट करना चाहिए. यूजफुलनेस ऑफ एनिमल्स. हाउ एनिमल इज़ यूजफुल टू मैनकाइंड. हाउ दे आर यूजुअली ट्रीटेड. कैसे उसको ट्रीट करते हैं. सफरिंग ऑफ द एनिमल्स. एनिमल क्या सफ़र करता है. ठीक है. चेंज इन आवर एटीट्यूड एंड ट्रीटमेंट टूवर्ड्स एनिमल. हाउ शुड वी चेंज आवर एटीट्यूड एंड ट्रीटमेंट टूवर्ड्स एनिमल. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल गिव यू what my thoughts are and then you can write your own thoughts. Okay. So you can write animals have been man's best friend for centuries. They have also been our constant companions because they help us in many ways. Their services to mankind are great and unbelievable. Meat, skin, bones and milk of animals are used all over the world. The horse, the camel, the elephant, the donkey, the reindeer, etc. are used for traveling and transportation. Thus, they are very useful to mankind. Okay. But how we treat animals? We have been extremely selfish in the use of animals. We overload the beasts with burden. We have starved them or flogged them. If they don't learn and perform tricks well in circuses, we hit them when they don't perform well in circuses. We do experiments on them, kill them for inviting new medicines. This makes animals suffer a lot. We should remember that our debt to these unfortunate, helpless creatures can't be repaid. It is the milk of the cow and buffalo which nourishes us from our childhood. The question is, how should animals be treated? We should be grateful to them. We should not harass them for our selfish purposes. We should not beat them to perform tricks for circus. We should not overload them with work for transportation or kill them for our needs. The hunter should not hunt them. We should not flog them for our selfish purposes. Animals should not be locked up in zoo, and even if they are, they should be looked after well. The visitors should not tease or harass them. We should not pelt stones on animals. Okay, we should not kill animals for products like fur, leather. Okay, we should love animals and take care of their lives. We should treat them with care and love because their lives are as important as those these or human beings, and animals have always been man's best friend or the most helpful creature. Okay, with this I conclude this chapter. Thank you students. Take care.